As we age, one of the most silent yet serious health challenges we face is muscle loss. After the age of 60, most people lose between 3% to 8% of their muscle mass every decade. And it's not just about looking strong. You see, our muscles play a vital role in our daily lives. They help us climb the stairs, rise from a chair, walk up a hill, carry our groceries, and even stand up after a fall. But as muscle loss progresses, these everyday tasks become more challenging, affecting our independence and our confidence in getting around. But here's the hopeful news. Maintaining muscle after 60 doesn't always require a gym membership or heavy weights. Sometimes it starts with something as simple as what's in your teacup. Today, I want to share with you 3 powerful teas that have been scientifically shown to support muscle strength, energy and mobility for seniors. These are easy, natural additions to your daily routine that can make a real difference in how you feel as you age. Let's start with the first tea, green tea. Green tea is celebrated for its numerous health benefits, including its positive impact on muscle health. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Biochemistry and Nutrition found that green tea extract improved muscle strength and reduced muscle damage in older adults. The key here is a compound called EGCG. This natural ingredient helps to rebuild muscle fibers after exercise, making it easier to recover and get back to your daily activities. It also improves blood circulation, which means more oxygen and nutrients get to your muscles, keeping them fueled and ready to go. Second, we have turmeric tea. Turmeric, the bright yellow spice, is a powerhouse when it comes to health benefits. It contains an active compound called curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is a natural process, but chronic inflammation can be harmful. Curcumin helps reduce inflammation in our muscles, aiding in faster recovery after exercise or injury. It also boosts our body's antioxidant defenses, protecting our muscles from damage. A study in the Journal of Medicinal Food reported that curcumin supplements improved muscle strength and function in older adults. So don't hesitate to add some turmeric to your daily tea routine. Now let's talk about ginger tea. Ginger is well known for its soothing properties, but it also offers significant benefits for muscle health. Gingerol, a compound found in fresh ginger, is responsible for many of these benefits. It aids in faster muscle recovery, reduces muscle soreness, and even helps alleviate joint pain. This is backed by a study in the International Journal of Sports Physical Therapy, which showed that ginger extract reduced muscle pain and improved recovery of physical function. And here's a bonus tea, Ashwagandha tea. While not everyone may have heard of Ashwagandha, it's an ancient Ayurvedic medicine that's gaining recognition for its potential benefits. Studies have shown that this herb can enhance muscle strength, improve endurance, and even reduce the effects of age-related muscle loss. One study in the Journal of Clinical Pharmacy and Therapeutics found that ashwagandha significantly improved muscle strength and quality of life in older adults. Remember, these teas are not a magic potion, but they are simple, natural ways to support your muscle health as you age. Stay tuned for more health insights and tips on incorporating these teas into your daily routine for a better, stronger you. Today's topic is about 2 special teas for seniors. Teas that are not only tasty, but packed with natural power to help strengthen legs, boost energy, and improve balance as we age. It's something many of us seek as we enter our golden years, but don't really know where to start. So let's explore these 2 options together. Let's start with the first tea, a true hidden gem among teas, especially for seniors. And no, it's not chamomile or peppermint. It's Rooibos tea, also known as South African red bush tea. At first glance, it may look like just another herbal tea on the shelf, but for seniors, it holds surprising benefits. Rooibos is naturally caffeine-free, making it gentle on the stomach and safe to drink at any time of day, even before bed. But what makes it truly powerful is its unique antioxidants, aspalathin and nothofagin. These compounds help reduce chronic inflammation and oxidative stress, 2 of the main factors behind muscle breakdown as we age. Research published in Phytomedicine found that Rooibos tea significantly reduced inflammation markers and boosted antioxidant activity in adults, especially those over 60. Better blood flow and reduced inflammation mean faster recovery after walking, gardening, or climbing the stairs. I remember one of my patients, Mr. Clarence, a 76-year-old retired carpenter. He told me, "Doctor, I never believed tea could help my legs. But after 2 weeks of drinking Rooibos every evening, I felt lighter when standing up, and my thighs didn't feel so heavy anymore. For him, this wasn't just hydration, it was real cellular repair. Another benefit, even though Rooibos has no caffeine, it helps regulate blood sugar levels, keeping muscles consistently fueled. That means more steady energy throughout the day, without the highs and crashes of coffee. How to prepare? Steep 1 to 2 teaspoons of loose Rooibos, or a tea bag, in hot water for 5 to 7 minutes. Drink it warm in the evening for better sleep, or enjoy it iced with a slice of lemon during the day. For many older adults, Rooibos has become a quiet but powerful secret weapon for maintaining leg strength and overall vitality. Now, let's talk about the second tea, one that has stood the test of time in numerous scientific studies: green tea. While many people know green tea for its role in weight control and heart health, far fewer realize its impact on muscle strength and mobility. At the core of green tea's benefits is a group of plant compounds called catechins, especially EGCG epigallocatechin, galatate. This antioxidant has been extensively studied and is known to reduce inflammation, support fat metabolism, and accelerate muscle recovery, even after simple activities like walking or gardening. Why does this matter for seniors? Because after 60, muscle repair slows down, and inflammation lingers longer. Green tea acts like a gentle reset for your body, helping create a cleaner environment for maintaining strength. Green tea also provides a small natural dose of caffeine, which can improve balance, coordination, and alertness, all crucial for preventing falls. Paired with L-theanine, an amino acid unique to tea, it creates calm, focused energy without the jitteriness of coffee. I recall Mrs. Elise, a 72-year-old patient, who added a cup of green tea to her breakfast routine. She told me, "Doctor, it doesn't make me feel wired, just clear. I can carry groceries and feel steadier on my feet." For her, this simple change improved both her confidence and daily mobility. How to prepare? Heat water to about 175 degrees Fahrenheit, 80 degrees Celsius, just before boiling. Steep for 2 to 3 minutes only. This avoids bitterness and keeps the tea smooth. Adding lemon not only brightens the flavor, but also enhances the absorption of catechin. For those sensitive to caffeine, decaffeinated green tea still contains the key compounds that support muscle health. Just choose one that's water processed rather than chemically decaffeinated. A cup or two of green tea in the morning or early afternoon can be a powerful ally in helping seniors reduce inflammation, preserve lean muscle, and maintain steady energy and mobility well into their later years. Finding the right tea for you might require some personal exploration. Some prefer the subtle earthy taste and gentle touch of Rooibos, while others appreciate the grassy notes and added caffeine boost of green tea. Regardless of your choice, the key is to stay hydrated and enjoy the process. Remember, it's not about a single magical solution, but about incorporating enjoyable habits that complement a balanced lifestyle. As always, consult your healthcare provider if you have any concerns or questions. Thanks for watching, and here's to your health and well-being. Now that you've discovered the rejuvenating power of green tea and turmeric tea for combating age-related muscle loss, it's time to explore the remarkable world of herbs and spices. And the third tea on our list may sound unusual, but it is one of the most powerful natural remedies I've seen for seniors: Ashwagandha root tea. Let us embark on a journey to uncover the secrets of this ancient Ayurvedic medicine, and how its timeless wisdom can help us reclaim vitality and muscle strength. Ashwagandha, meaning horse, gandha, meaning scent, has been revered for over 3,000 years in Ayurvedic medicine as the scent of the horse, because its aroma resembles that of a horse, but its benefits go far beyond its unique fragrance. The Sanskrit word, Ashwagandha, itself encapsulates its essence, signifying strength, energy, and vitality. And for those seeking to combat age-related muscle loss and boost overall well-being, this herb holds immense promise. Ayurveda, one of the world's oldest healing systems, recognizes ashwagandha as a powerful adaptogen, a natural remedy that helps the body adapt to stress. As we age, our bodies encounter various types of stress, from physical exertion to environmental toxins and emotional pressures. Chronic stress can deplete our energy reserves, weaken our immune system, and accelerate muscle loss. Ashwagandha comes to the rescue by mitigating the negative effects of stress. Its active compounds, called withanolides, have been shown to lower cortisol, the stress hormone. High cortisol levels can wreak havoc on our bodies, speeding up muscle breakdown, adding belly fat, and even causing mental fog. By reducing cortisol, ashwagandha protects your muscles from being worn down and helps maintain a healthy body composition. But the benefits of ashwagandha extend beyond stress reduction. It is known as a rejuvenating herb, promoting overall vitality and longevity. Its potent antioxidants combat oxidative stress, reducing inflammation and protecting against age-related diseases. Studies have shown that regular consumption of ashwagandha can enhance immune function, IMP-ROVE, cardiovascular health, and boost brain function. Moreover, ashwagandha is celebrated for its potential cognitive benefits, aiding memory, concentration, and reducing age-related cognitive decline. It is believed to enhance brain function by increasing neurogenesis, the growth and development of new neurons. By incorporating ashwagandha into your daily routine, you can support your brain health and maintain cognitive sharpness. Now let's delve into how ashwagandha supports the body's energy systems, particularly in combating age-related muscle loss. As we age, our bodies undergo hormonal changes that can lead to decreased muscle mass and strength. Testosterone and DHEA, vital hormones for maintaining muscle mass and energy, often decline with age. Ashwagandha comes to the rescue once again by supporting the production of these crucial hormones. Studies have demonstrated that individuals who consume ashwagandha regularly experience increased testosterone and DHEA levels. These hormonal benefits play a pivotal role in preserving muscle strength, enhancing exercise performance, and improving overall vitality. The tea is not only beneficial for its hormonal balancing properties, but also for its capacity to enhance nutrient absorption. It aids in the assimilation of essential vitamins and minerals, ensuring that our bodies utilize nutrients to their fullest potential. This enhanced nutrient absorption is vital for maintaining strong bones, supporting muscle growth, and boosting the immune system. Next, let's discuss how to prepare this incredible tea and unlock its full potential. To make ashwagandha tea, start by gathering your ingredients. You will need 1 teaspoon of dried ashwagandha root, 1 cup of water, a pinch of cinnamon, and a splash of milk. First, rinse the ashwagandha root to remove any dirt or debris. Then add it to the water in a small saucepan. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat and simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Allow the tea to steep, infusing the water with the medicinal properties of the ashwagandha root. After simmering, strain the tea into a cup, discarding the root. Add a pinch of cinnamon, which not only enhances the flavor, but also boosts the anti-inflammatory benefits of the tea. Give it a stir and enjoy. For an even richer experience, you can add a splash of milk, which not only adds a creamy texture, but also enhances the bioavailability of certain compounds, making them more readily absorbed by the body. Many people wonder when is the best time to consume ashwagandha tea for maximum benefit. Personally, I recommend enjoying a cup of ashwagandha tea in the evening before bed. This ritual allows you to unwind, relax, and support better sleep. The calming properties of ashwagandha can help alleviate stress and anxiety, preparing your mind and body for a restful night's sleep. A good night's rest is essential for muscle repair and overall rejuvenation, and ashwagandha tea can be a perfect companion in your journey towards a peaceful sleep. As you incorporate ashwagandha root tea into your routine, you may begin to experience renewed vitality, improved sleep, and a strengthened sense of well-being. Embrace this transformative journey and unlock the secrets of this ancient Ayurvedic tradition. Muscle loss after 60 is real. As we age, we lose 3 to 8% of our muscle mass each decade. This doesn't just make us weaker. It can affect our balance and increase the risk of falls, which can take away the independence we all value so much. But here's the encouraging truth. Restoring strength doesn't always require a gym membership or heavy workouts. Sometimes it begins with small, consistent habits. Today, I want to share a simple habit that can make a big difference. Choosing the right cup of tea. You heard that right, tea. Now you might be thinking, will tea really make a difference? Well, let us take a closer look at 4 types of tea and how they can help you maintain your strength and balance as you age. Rooibos tea. Rooibos, also known as red tea, is a caffeine-free herbal tea. Its natural sweetness and smooth, woody flavor make it a perfect choice to enjoy any time of day. Rooibos tea is rich in antioxidants, called polyphenols, which can help calm inflammation throughout the body. These compounds help reduce oxidative stress, allowing your body to recover faster from exercise and injuries. Green tea. Green tea is celebrated for its grassy flavor and numerous health benefits. What makes green tea unique is its blend of EGCG, a powerful antioxidant, and L-theanine, an amino acid that promotes relaxation without drowsiness. Together, they can improve recovery after a workout, reduce inflammation, and enhance balance and coordination. Ashwagandha root tea. Ashwagandha, meaning horse in Sanskrit, is an Ayurvedic herb used for centuries to promote strength and vitality. Its earthy, slightly bitter taste can be warming and comforting. Ashwagandha root tea can help lower stress hormones like cortisol, which often increase with age and can interfere with sleep, digestion, and muscle recovery. By reducing cortisol levels, ashwagandha root tea can help restore key muscle-building hormones like testosterone and growth hormone, leading to increased strength and overall resilience. Fenugreek tea. Fenugreek, with its distinct aroma and slightly bitter taste, has been used for centuries not only for its culinary properties, but also for its health benefits. Fenugreek tea can support stamina and endurance by helping your body use oxygen more efficiently. It's also known for its ability to support natural hormone balance, making it a great choice for seniors who may be experiencing weakness or fatigue due to hormonal changes. Remember, while these teas offer wonderful benefits, they're not a magic potion. The key is to incorporate them into a balanced lifestyle that includes a nutritious diet, regular physical activity, and, most importantly, a positive mindset. I often tell my patients, every healthy choice you make sends a message to your body. I'm not done yet. Each cup of tea may feel like a small step, but added together over weeks and months, these small steps can make a significant difference in your overall strength and well-being. They can help protect your muscles, improve your confidence, and help you keep moving forward. Before starting any herbal tea regularly, especially if you take medication or have chronic conditions, be sure to consult your doctor. Your health and safety come first. Strength comes second.